future starts here. Every time you hit the accelerator. Because with every drive, our next generation EV adapts to you, to your needs, to your life. Featuring instantly responsive electric performance, protective autonomy, evolving intelligence, all working together to enhance your drive and get you to the people, places, and moments that matter most. Each vehicle built for people who enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Created by a company dedicated to developing the next generation of intelligent, connected EVs for everyone. SF Motors. Your experience drives us.